Nemo, what are you doing? What are you doing, you silly little boy? Get off of the refrigerator, you retard. I'm so silly.
You let him stay up there?
Get down.
Start painting hair is gonna fly over.
She makes fun of me whenever